Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Martine Chiella. Thank you so much for stopping by. So today's video, vlog here, I'm gonna be just giving you guys the part 2 of the update that I was supposed to give you guys in the other video, but I didn't want to make that one very long. So we're out on the road right now. We're just going out to do a little bit of shopping for appliances, home appliances, pretty much all the home appliances. And you might want to ask yourself, why is she doing all of her home appliance shopping now? If you're following my channel, you already know that, we made a home purchase about a year ago and everything was in the home. So this has to do with that update that I was giving you guys, that I wanted to give you guys. So recently, y'all know that I went out on vacation end of year last year to Jamaica. It was a wonderful vacation. And in my staying there in Jamaica, we were on our vacation there, we got notice that my house flooded. Yes. So the pipes in the house did burst. We had a couple of snowstorms here and the house was flooded with so much water, about 4.5 feet of water inside the basement. Literally everything was a wreck. If I ever get a chance and I still have like the pictures and the videos and everything, I'll probably be sharing with you guys that as well. But right now we have been in the process of kind of like dealing with the insurance people, and that was another whole story on its own, which one of these days I'll sit down, a proper sit down, and just let you guys know about that. So with that said, the house flooded. We lost pretty much everything. They were able to salvage our clothes that were in the upper floor, and insurance did get those cleaned out and send them out back to us. So right now we're technically not in our own home right now. Our home is being taken care of, literally being rebuilt. Like literally, like I was there last week and things are coming along pretty well and very fast. The drywalls are up and everything, and we've just been working with the contractor and insurance just to kind of bring it up to par. A lot of things happen, and it happened pretty quickly, and sometimes we don't understand the situation, but we got to trust the process, and we got to know that God is in it with us. And the whole January was a really like testing time for me, but I'm really happy to see how God just helped us through that. So we're on our way to Home Depot now just to do some purchases, like everything, like washer, dryer, everything, literally everything, fridge, everything. We have to literally purchase everything. Yeah, so that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm probably going to be sharing another video with you guys on terms of the walkthrough that I did last week, that I went to go do just to see the progress that the contractors were doing. So we're just arriving at the Home Depot actually. Yeah, so I'll be sharing that with you guys. And what else? Yeah, and also because of the news, like I said, the insurance is taking care of it. Sometimes online, other people like to take advantage of other people's situation. So if anybody tells you guys, oh, we're going to be doing some GoFundMe or anything like that for this family that has a house flood and all that stuff, that's not true. I haven't done any of that. Insurance is covering the situation. Don't fall for it. It's a scam. If anybody reaches out to you guys on my behalf or my family's behalf saying that, send us money for fundraising for us, that's absolutely false. Don't accept it. It's fraudulent. Don't sign up. Don't send nothing. We are not asking for anything from anybody. Like I said, insurance is taking care of it, and this is just a notification, a warning to you guys as well, just to be on the lookout and not let people scam you into anything these days online. Okay, so we're heading right in. I'm gonna get the kids out, and yeah, I'm just gonna take you guys along as we're doing this shopping. Okay, see you in there.
So you guys are seeing me in this video. I'm pretty upbeat, and it's been a couple of months. We're in the middle of it, almost coming throughout this whole situation. And you see me, I'm pretty upbeat, and I'm just kind of like letting you guys know what's going on. I remember I did promise you guys I was going to give you guys a furnished house tour. And when I was leaving for Jamaica, I said to myself that when I do come back, because I had made that promise to give you guys a furnished house tour, and that was one of my goals. I was going to come back and actually do a video for you guys, just showing you guys how I ended up furnishing the home when we moved into it. But I just never got a chance to film it. And then in coming back and getting that news when I was down there, it was very difficult. It took me some time to kind of like process it, go through it. And these are the things that happen in life, and you get some of these setbacks, some of these disappointments, but you just got to keep moving forward. And I had taken some time, in even posting like consistently the direction that I wanted to post and the things that I wanted to post. And it took a complete shift, And so, but I said to myself, I wasn't going to give up on, my goals for the year. I had to jump back on the saddle and just get things going. So I'm out again. I am shopping. My mindset is correct. Insurance was giving me a hard time. I thought to a point, I thought that we were not going to be covered and I was going to be in so much debt. And when I tell you guys that, like I just prayed about it. We prayed about it. And really, God just did a miracle for me. And these insurance people came around and they were like, we're going to cover you 100%. I was just blown away. And I'm more than grateful. So
Okay guys, so that was a successful stop at Home Depot. We got the washer and the dryer. We stuck to the same Whirlpool. And for the other three appliances, the fridge, the stove range, as well as the dishwasher, I think we went with LG this time. I don't remember the brand that I had last time, but we went LG this time. And because of the three combos, we did get a small 15% discount for the three purchases, so that was great. So yeah, those 5 appliances out of the way. Now the other major bulk things that I do have to make a stop for is for furnitures, right? So we are heading out over to StructTube just to check out a couple of things. I do have in mind the couch that I want for the living room. It's at StructTube, so I'm going to be checking out StructTube, so I'm taking you guys there as well. Yeah, we didn't even last long in that Home Depot anyways. So pretty much this is part 2 of the video that I wanted to give you guys an update. That was the terrible news that I got when I was on vacation, literally a day before Christmas, and we received that call from a police officer in our town. So that was pretty much it. And also letting you guys know that just because of this small update on this channel, it doesn't mean just be vigilant, because people are out here online doing whatever and scamming people and doing all these things. So just you guys know that, be very careful. I would never ask you guys for anything or email you guys to join anything that in any sort, or ask you guys for credit card information or anything like that online. So please, if you do see my name on anything, my email on anything, just know that it's fraudulent activities and do not respond. Okay, so I'm taking you guys to StructTube. We'll see what we find there. Not 100% guarantee that we are going to be purchasing something. You guys know how things are with these purchases. Okay, so come along there as well. Today we seem to be having a productive day, and I want to keep it like that. Okay.
So we spotted a couple of pieces that we're absolutely going to be adding to our purchase this time around. And I absolutely love this table. Both kids are super tired. We had a long day and we were just wrapping up now just to go home. We picked up our SKU numbers and everything was just fine. If you haven't already subscribed to this channel, don't forget to do so and be notified by turning on the bell so that the next post you are aware that it is posted, that you can tune in and definitely see this journey as we rebuild. Okay, thank you so much for staying tuned with us, sticking around, and I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye for now.